Hello my sunny babes, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? Are you having a good day? And if you're not, I hope I can make it just the tiniest bit better. In today's video, we're going to be doing masks. We're going to be talking about all the masks and how you can style them based on your outfit and your makeup. So, I mean, it's going to be a good one. But before we get into it, let's talk about our card of the week, which this week it's going to be listen, learn, and grow. I added these cards into my intro last week. If you didn't see last week's video, go check it out. This one is listen, learn, and grow. And I think that with everything going on right now in the world, there is so much to educate ourselves on. There's also so much to learn from our pals and our friends. So make sure that you are educating yourself and also getting to know what's right and what can be fixed and how you can help others. That's listen, learn, grow, you guys. Beautiful. Also, before we get into the actual video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel. It's free $99, but it does help me out. So go ahead and do that. And comment down below for more videos because you want to come back. You do. The content is popping over here. It's bright and sunny, honey. Alright, I love you guys so much. Let's get right into the video. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be showing you guys how I match my outfits and eyeshadow to my mask. So let me just show you the mask. Super cute, right? Super cute. So basically I might even keep this on just for reference, but I'm going to be doing a smoky, like as the brides like to call it, smoky natural look. I'm using all drugstore products, by the way. This is the e.l.f. putty primer in the shade Clay. Super cute. It looks just like the MAC, what was that called? The MAC, dang it, MAC Painterly Paint Pot. They had like a couple colors of that, and so does e.l.f. now. And they're very reminiscent of those paint pots. I'm using this little palette. It's the bite-size eyeshadow palette in the shade Truffles, and it's got 4 colors in it, and it's super compact. I think I paid $3 for this, which yeah, we love that price. So yeah, it wasn't too expensive. I'm gonna take this like second shade right here. And I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm going to start on the outer corner and then move towards the crease. I'm going to take liner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And this is waterproof, and it's in the shade Brown. So you may be noticing that I'm doing this really thick. That is because I'm going to be smoking it out. There we have it. I'm not done. Don't question me, I'm not done. I promise it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna be using this liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade Copper Pop, and I'm so excited. I feel like it's gonna look so good. I will say this is giving great coverage for a $3 liquid eyeshadow. Like, awesome coverage. Two coats is the way to do it with the false lash effect. Because if you just do one coat, looks like you have no lashes. Two coats, you in there. With the mask on, this is what we got. Oh, I think this is so cute. It like perfectly captivates what the mask is. Let's go ahead and get into how I do the outfits now, because I got some cute ones. Okay, let me just stop. All right, so let's get into the outfit. So here is the first outfit. Okay, editing Sunshine here. I'm very aware that I look like I'm supposed to be singing with a guitar at a mega church. But since I look like that, let's go ahead and praise God for a second. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the water wherever you may call me. I just have this super cute shirt. I got this from Kato. It's got a little knot detail on the end and some white jeggings, which I love. And then I have this really simple but also really elegant. This is a hat that I got from Amazon. If you don't own a jean jacket, get one, girl. It just makes you look so much more put together if you have on a jean jacket rather than like a hoodie. See, I like this. It just kind of elevates the look a little. It's more than like your average casual deal. It's like dressy casual. Because you have the white jeans and this really cute sheer top. Now, something that I would probably do that most probably won't do is I would actually tuck this in and add a little belt. So this is probably what I would wear. So with the mask, this is what we got. I think it's super cute. This is look number 2, guys. Y'all, get into it. Like, I love this look, mainly because of this yellow hat. It matches my personality. It's sunshine. This matches this belt. This matches this mask so perfectly. Ooh, girl, who said you have to be looking bad when you get on a mask? It says, what does it say? Black girl magic. And this is magic. This outfit is magic. Right, my sunny babes, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below for more videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!